Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use SUMIF function in Excel. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Excel. Once you open Excel, you can see this is the data on which I want to apply SUMIF function. So first step you need to enter is equal to and put if SUMIF and hit on tab. So then you need to select the range. So this is the range I selected. Okay, then you need to enter comma, and after that you need to select the criteria. So this is our criteria, and after that hit comma again and enter the sum range. So this is the range, and after that close the formula and hit on enter. So you can see that 215. So it is only include the values that is, because our criteria is 2000, so 2010.5 and 204.5. so when this value is added up, it is equal to 215. So this is the process by which you can use SUMIF function in Excel. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.